Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to send an offer to a buyer. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. For this, all you need to do is simply open a website of eBay Seller Hub. So once you're in the Seller Hub section, all you need to do is simply go and tap on the listings option. So once you've scrolled up and tapped on the listings section, you need to now go to the active section. So active section is the section where all your listings or all your active orders are shown. So once you are here, you need to tap on send offers to the eligible section. So once you have changed your send offers to the eligible section, all you need to do now is simply scroll below and tap on send offers. So once you have done this as well, you need to now simply select the people you want to send offers, and then after you have done this, you need to simply select the offer amount. It can be in percentage discount or even in amount, and you need to simply type in a message if you want to do so. And after you have done this, all you need to do now is simply tick on the boxes if you want to allow counter offers or automatically send offers as well. After you have done this as well, you need to now simply hit on send the offers. So this is how you can simply send offers to your buyer on eBay. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.